everybody, it's me Sakshi. Today I'm going to tell you my daily routine with purposes. So I get up early in the morning so that I can complete my pending work. Then I see the palm so that I can offer the prayers. After that I get fresh and go for morning walk to take fresh air in the morning. After that I do light exercise there to stay fit. After that I return to my home and do brush so that my teeth shine all the day. After that I take bath so that I can stay fresh all the day. After that I wear my uniform and get ready for school so that I don't get late for my school. After that I took breakfast so that I don't feel hungry in the school. After that I offer the prayer for peace. After that I pack my lunch and pack my bag so that I don't forget my books at home. After that I go to school early so that I study there. After that I take lunch there so that I don't feel hungry in the next periods. After that I study there again and return to my home. After that I take siesta and took refreshment so that I feel fresh all the time. After that I complete my homework and then I go for playing in the evening so that I take some break from studies. After that I came to home again and help my mother in kitchen chores so that her work become easy. After that I took dinner and go to sleep for a better sleep cycle. Now Miss Janvi will tell us her routine.
Hi, I Janvi Chaudhary here to tell you about my daily routine with purposes. I get up early in the morning so that I can save time for my other activities. I see the palm so that I can offer the prayers to God. I go for morning walk and do light exercises there to keep myself fit. I return to my home and I brush my teeth to keep my teeth strong. And after that I take baths to keep myself hygiene. After that I wear my uniform and I take my breakfast to keep myself whole day energetic. After that I pack my bag so that I can study properly in the school. After that I leave the home on time to reach school at time. After that I go to school and study there properly for my future. I take lunch to keep myself more energetic for the day. After that I study again properly and I return to my home. I take siesta to get refreshed and take refreshment. I go for playing in the evening to feel me relaxed and calm. I return to my home and I watch TV for some time to get entertained. I do my homework to study well in the school and for my future. After that I take my dinners and go to bed. That's all about my daily routine.
Fantastic.